I'm going to be using the Whey Curl Cream. This 8-ounce bottle, this 8 fluid ounce bottle is the biggest they've ever done, and as a curly haired person, give me the biggest bottles of everything that you have. I really like this because it adds definition to my hair, but it doesn't leave it feeling crunchy. Hi, welcome to Ouai's YouTube channel. My name is Samantha Jane. I am a beauty and lifestyle creator from Toronto, Canada. You can find me on YouTube reviewing makeup, hair, skincare. Today, however, I'm going to be showing you how I skip, splurge, and save when it comes to my curly hair routine. So let's get started. So the first thing, you could kind of consider it either a skip or a save, but cold water is free. So we want to skip the hot water. If the best you can do is a shot of cold water at the end of your conditioning routine, by all means. It's also a good way to get you out of the shower first thing in the morning. But I skip on the hot water when it comes to my curls because not only can the heat itself be damaging, it's really great actually to get some cold water on your curls. And I mean real cold water. It helps with the shininess. I know it's up for debate, but I definitely see a difference. So while in the shower, I really mix it up when it comes to products. I am a YouTuber after all. So I have been testing out this new shampoo from Briogeo. This is their Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. And then for my conditioner, because I really needed kind of an extra boost of hydration, I used the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. I really like the two of these together. I don't use this mask all the time as a conditioner in the shower. Sometimes I use it as a real mask, but my hair definitely has been needing a little extra love, so they did a great job for hydrating. The next product I want to mention is a really great effective product, but it's also a save, which is such a win. I do a hair mask about once a week. It kind of depends, sometimes less, sometimes more. This is the Maui Moisture Revive and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask. This is great for damaged hair, if you have over processed hair, if you need some moisture, you want some like good shea buttery goodness. This is such a great way to get it, and you get to save money. When I'm out of the shower, I have the ultimate save. Not only have I saved so much money on this, I've saved it physically for over 10 years. This is an old pajama shirt that I use as a towel. Now, I like to style my hair almost completely, like as wet as it can be. It's starting to dry a little bit here now. But if you do need to dry your hair a little bit, I really recommend using something that has a material like an old t-shirt, an old shirt over a towel, because it's gonna cause less frizz. You're saving lots of money, and I actually keep the arms on it so that I can tie it around my head. So an absolutely great save. Now that I'm going to get into the actual products of my hair, and my hair has dried a little bit, I find wetting it makes a really big difference in the actual outcome of my hair. Like the ends are fine, but these little front bits are what cause me the most trouble, but these front bits are what set up the whole curl look. So something that I absolutely love to use is a mister bottle. Now, is this a splurge, a save? It's not a splurge. It's not necessarily a save. It was a pretty good deal, but it's just kind of like you should have one of these if you have curly hair. Since I got this mister, it's made a world of difference. It's incredible for second day curls, but great for styling as well. If you just need to add a little bit of moisture, but you don't want to add too much moisture in your hair, it's made such a difference, and you can use it on your plants too. Now for another great save, I'm using this leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. It's well loved. There's not a ton in here anymore. This is the hemp seed oil Lush Length Light Leave-In. That's tricky to get out. I really like this. It's good for second day curls as well. I tend to do lotion, oil, and a cream, but it kind of depends. And I like to just brush it through. It adds nice light moisture, where I'm going to be putting in 3 different products in my hair today. I don't want to overdo it. And I try not to, as I touch my hair, I try not to touch my hair too much. I spray this out in my hand when I'm doing it on first day curls, and then second day curls, it's great just to spray in to add a little moisture. But I try not to disturb the curl too much and keep my palm open. Another place that I absolutely save is my clips. These are from either the dollar store or Amazon. I've got a plethora of them, but I've got lots of hair, and that area in the back, maybe it's just me, but other curly hair folks can perhaps relate. That area in the back that gets a little bit left behind. These clips are great to get in there to make sure no area gets left behind, and there's absolutely no need to spend more than a couple of dollars on it. But they are handy to have instead of using like bobby pins or hair elastics. Another place that I save is on my oil, clearly. I love a splurgy hair oil as much as the next gal, but I have a lot of hair that soaks up a lot of product, so saving wherever I can. This is the Chosen Foods Avocado Oil. I buy this in bulk. I actually get 2 of them, so I have one for hair, one for cooking. This is the hair one. You could put this in a cute bottle. I have in the past. Obviously I didn't, but next step is the good old oil. less is more, and honestly it makes more sense to put it in a tiny bottle, not only for aesthetic purposes, but a gigantic glass bottle of oil in the bathroom is maybe not the move. I'm gonna primarily put it through my ends. I've yet to have any disasters, but I don't want to say anything and jinx it. Then for my cream portion, I'm going to be using the Whey curl cream. Now I've got two different ones here. Something really cool about this curl cream, it was actually kind of crowdsourced. So Whey asked people from the community, they looked for reviews, they did test groups, focus groups, and out of that it seems like they decided a fragrance-free would be a great option. So if you tend to not like fragrance in your hair, this is such a good one, or of course you can go with the original, both in aesthetically pleasing bottles. But the other thing that they said is this 8-ounce bottle, this 8 fluid ounce bottle is the biggest they've ever done, and as a curly haired person, give me the biggest bottles of everything that you have, maybe besides shampoo, and I'm here for it. So very glad that they asked people what they wanted. Today I'm going to use the original curl cream. I really like this because it adds definition to my hair, but it doesn't leave it feeling like crunchy or looking crunchy. Let me talk while I apply. Start with a little. But as a curly haired girl, you know you're never using the recommended sizes. It's a myth. So it has chia seed oils in there, linseed oils. It helps to defrizz, add shine, definition, all that good stuff. I do definitely have a Splurge blow dryer recommendation for you. You probably know where this is going. Let's guess. What's it gonna be? Yeah, it's great. Honestly, I love it. It's definitely a really big splurge. This is the Dyson Supersonic. I love this. I know a lot of curly girls love it with the diffuser on there. Of course, you know, she's a pricey item, but I really love it and I love the splurge. So let me just diffuse a little. So here are my finished curls. I'm glad they turned out okay. Honestly, if you have curly hair, you know day to day, they can misbehave at times, but luckily they stayed agreeable for this Whey video. So thank you so much for joining me on Whey's YouTube channel today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to like, drop a comment below on what you would like to see, and of course subscribe. If you'd like to check me out, you can find me at Samantha Jane on YouTube and Samantha Jane YT on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you another time. Bye!